Hello and welcome to TayTime Special Purim Edition. So this is possibly one of my favorite Divrei Torah of all time. We see in Purim one of the most amazing proofs of the concept of Hakdim Refuah Lefnei Makkah, that HaShem brings the Refuah before the Makkah. We see in the story of Purim the sin that Bnei Israel are eventually punished for. Like, the whole scary part of the Purim story, which takes place, is this because of the sin that they went to the party of Achashverosh. Now, if we look at the party of Achashverosh, what happens, what goes down at that party, is that Achashverosh does away with Vashti, which makes way for Esther to come in, and Esther is also our salvation. So what we see here is that when Bnei Israel are sinning, we're doing the thing that's actually going to cause the punishment. HaShem is not like a human thinking about the punishment. HaShem is 3 steps ahead. HaShem is thinking, okay, so I'm eventually going to punish them. They're going to need to be taught a lesson, but how am I going to save them from what's going to happen? And I just find this concept so amazing, because a human, when they're being wronged, they're thinking about, okay, how can I wrong back? Or what's going to happen to this person? What's the punishment? But Hashem's not there. Hashem's thinking, okay, so this is what's going to happen, but like, how am I going to save them? While we're wronging him, we're sinning to Hashem at the party, and Hashem's thinking, how am I going to save these people? And I think that that's just one of the most amazing concepts in the world. And I think that we have to remind ourselves, in whatever place we find ourselves, even if we're not at the point of salvation, we have to remind ourselves that Hashem already plotted out the salvation. Hashem already got there in his head. So whatever point we find ourselves in, we have to remind ourselves, Hashem was there first. And you know what? Even the punishment that we might be experiencing right now, even while we were sinning to deserve that punishment, Hashem already planned out how he's going to save us. And so we have to remind ourselves that even in the darkest of times, our salvation will come, because Hakdim Refuah Lefnei Makkah. The Refuah was already planned out. And with HaShem, we should all experience that v'nahapachu, and that at the darkest of times, that brilliant light of salvation. And happy Purim, everyone.